My next question is surrounding social media. So one interesting thing that I observed was you have the mediums you use. So I understand LinkedIn and Facebook, but why is Acharya Prashant on TikTok? Considering the fact that it's a medium primarily for frivolous content, do you think the audience there would be receptive to the message that you're trying to communicate?
It's exactly why I'm there, because just too much of frivolousness dominates that platform. See, you talked of LinkedIn and Facebook. The foundation is the strongest on YouTube actually. As far as TikTok is concerned, recently the two accounts in Hindi and English were opened. Look at the facts. As management students, we begin with the facts. It is the fastest growing social media. The people are there, and young people are there. They are the ones who are going to be on this planet for the longest time, correct? So why should I not look at them? They are the ones who are not yet heavily conditioned and closed. Why should I not look at them? They are the ones who are so vulnerable that any passing fad sweeps them away. And if they are so vulnerable and so gullible, why should I not talk to them? If they are to be carried away by someone, why should I not rather carry them away? I'm convinced of the sincerity of my mission. Why should I not look at those people? Additionally, those 1-minute clips are pretty useful and pretty handy. The stuff that we want to communicate as a mission lends itself quite nicely to the 1-minute format. You have to understand that if you are really a missionary, then you cannot always try to keep your hands clean. You have to necessarily venture into places that are a little murky or quite murky. Because they are murky, hence you have to venture into those places. Right? Had I wanted to play it safe and keep myself clean, why would I quit the corporate route in the first place? Spirituality is not about remaining squeaky clean. In fact, a really spiritual man should obviously be found in the dirtiest of places. What business does a cleaning machine have being present in a place already clean?